Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the latest and greatest tools that can revolutionize your daily tasks and make your life easier. Today, we've compiled a list of 10 amazing tools that you never knew you needed, but once you have them, you won't know how you lived without them. Let's dive right in. Number 1. The Klein Tools Magnetic Wire Puller is a game changer when it comes to fishing wires and cables behind finished walls or tight spaces. Equipped with high-strength rare earth magnets, this tool provides a strong hold for effortless wire and cable pulling. Its magnetic handheld unit features easy rolling mar-resistant wheels, ensuring that finished walls remain mark-free during use. With a 180-degree pivot handle and comfortable grip, users can enjoy easy control and maneuverability, even in challenging environments. The in-wall unit comprises strong rare earth magnets and a flexible stainless steel leader with an eyelet, facilitating smooth wire and cable pulling without snags or tangles. For added convenience, this wire puller comes with a hard plastic carrying case that securely stores both units, ensuring easy transport and storage. Additionally, it doubles as a metal stud finder, with marking notches on all four sides of the handheld unit, enhancing its versatility and usefulness on the job site. Whether you're a professional electrician or a DIY enthusiast, the Klein Tools Magnetic Wire Puller is an indispensable tool for simplifying wire and cable installation tasks. Number 2. The Tempo Communications PE2003 G-Pulsar Ground Fault Locator is a professional-grade tool designed to accurately identify faults in buried wire and cable insulation. With its precise fault identification capabilities, it can detect even the smallest breaks, ensuring thorough diagnostics of underground wiring systems. One of the key benefits of this ground fault locator is its ability to detect multiple faults on a single wire. By identifying all faults along a wire, it helps users determine whether replacement or repair is necessary, ultimately saving both time and resources. Equipped with extra-long test leads featuring heavy-duty alligator clips, the PE2003 G is suitable for use on various cable types, providing versatility and ease of use in different applications. The professional-grade kit includes everything you need for efficient fault locating, including a rechargeable transmitter, receiver, A-frame, ground stake, 120-volt charger, and a 12-volt DC adapter. This comprehensive package ensures that users have all the necessary tools and accessories to tackle ground fault locating tasks with confidence and precision. Number 3. The Strong Hand Tools Big Mouth Pliers are a versatile and innovative tool designed to simplify various gripping and holding tasks. With a unique crank handle, these pliers offer fast opening, closing, and adjusting, enhancing efficiency and productivity in any work environment. Featuring serrated jaw surfaces, the Big Mouth Pliers provide extra gripping power, ensuring a secure hold on materials of various shapes and sizes. Additionally, the V-notch on the top jaw is specifically designed for holding small parts securely in place during work. With a long jaw measuring 2.5 inches, 64 millimeters, these pliers offer extra capacity and greater versatility in work holding. Whether you're working with small components or larger materials, the Big Mouth Pliers are equipped to handle a wide range of tasks with ease and precision. Number 4. The Calculated Industries 7310 Stud Mark Magnetic Stud Finder revolutionizes stud detection with its innovative design. Featuring 2 removable, magnetic stud markers, it allows users to mark up to 3 stud locations simultaneously, enhancing accuracy and organization. Updated in 2020, it boasts stronger magnets for hands-free operation, sticking directly to detected stud nails or screws in sheetrock or drywall. This reduces the need for messy pencil marks, as both the stud locator and markers attach magnetically to the wall. Compact in size, it fits easily in a shirt pocket or nail pouch, while its sturdy construction and rare earth magnets ensure markers stay securely in place. However, it's not recommended for plaster walls due to thickness variations. Simplify your projects with the Stud Mark Magnetic Stud Finder. Number 5. The Cipex electrical installation pliers are versatile and multifunctional tools designed for a variety of tasks in electrical installation work. With 6 functions combined in one pair of pliers, They offer convenience and efficiency for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. These pliers are capable of gripping both flat and round materials, making them ideal for tasks such as bending, deburring, cutting cable, stripping, and crimping end sleeves, ferrules. Their smooth surfaces near the tips ensure a secure grip on single conductors without causing damage. Equipped with stripping holes for 12 and 14 AWG wires, these pliers provide precise stripping capabilities, enhancing workflow efficiency. Additionally, their clear-cut outside edge on the jaw allows for working on flush-mounted junction boxes and deburring feed-through holes, further expanding their utility and versatility in various applications. Number 6. The Sunjoe SJ SHLV06 Shovelution Strain-Reducing Utility Round-Point Digging Garden Shovel is an innovative tool designed to make digging tasks easier and more comfortable. Featuring a 9-inch steel head, this shovel is durable and built to handle tough gardening and landscaping jobs. One of its key features is the patented shovelution auxiliary handle, which is spring-loaded to act as a fulcrum. This unique design changes shoveling mechanics, reducing strain on the user's back and arms. Additionally, the shovel sends lifting leverage to the lower handle, making it easier to lift heavier loads with minimal effort. The shovel's back-saving design improves posture and reduces the need to bend, promoting a more ergonomic and comfortable digging experience. With ergonomic D-grip handles, users can enjoy a comfortable and secure grip while working in the garden or yard. Whether you're a professional landscaper or a weekend gardener, the Sunjoe SJ SHLV06 Shovelution Shovel is designed to enhance efficiency and reduce fatigue during digging tasks. Number 7. The Master Appliance HG 501D Industrial Heat Gun is a robust tool engineered for heavy-duty industrial use. Its die-cast aluminum housing and upgraded long-life universal motor ensure exceptional durability and reliability, backed by rigorous testing in the USA. Trusted by leading manufacturing companies worldwide, this heat gun delivers 1740 watts of power, reaching a maximum temperature of 1,200 degrees Fahrenheit swiftly. Its fixed air intake guarantees temperature consistency, ideal for tasks like wire connectors, heat shrink tubing, paint stripping, and more. Designed with user comfort in mind, it features an ergonomic soft grip handle and a 90-degree adjustable stand for prolonged use. Built to withstand demanding conditions, it's easily reparable with a full selection of repair parts available. Notably, its quick-change plug-in heating element allows for seamless replacement, minimizing downtime during operation. Whether for automotive repair, wiring projects, or industrial applications, the Master Appliance HG 501D heat gun ensures reliable performance and efficiency in every task. Number 8. The Yokata Floor Scrub Brush offers a convenient 2-in-1 design, combining a stiff bristle brush with a rubber squeegee scraper. This versatile tool effectively removes stubborn grime, dirt, and dust with ease, enhancing the efficiency of your cleaning tasks. Its ergonomic design follows the principles of ergonomics, ensuring less effort is required when using the brush, making cleaning simple and convenient. Featuring a telescopic pole, the brush's iron pole can be adjusted from 45.3 inches to 55.9 inches, allowing for comfortable use without the need to bend your back. The pole's lock can be easily opened to adjust the length as needed. Constructed from sturdy PP material and iron, the scrubbing brush is durable and built to handle heavy-duty dirt. The rods are tightened with threaded joints and locking mechanisms, ensuring stability and reliability during use. Whether cleaning the patio, bathroom, garage, kitchen, wall, deck, tub, or tile, the Yokata Floor Scrub Brush is an essential tool for effective and efficient cleaning. Number 9. The Wagon 12-volt Roadside Impact Wrench is a powerful and versatile tool designed for tire repair and general vehicle maintenance tasks. With a torque power of 258 feet-pounds, it effectively loosens and tightens vehicle lug nuts with ease, making tire changes quick and effortless. Equipped with a 1/2-inch drive and a 9.5-foot power cord, this impact wrench provides ample reach and flexibility for various maintenance applications. Its one-handed forward and reverse operation adds to its convenience and ease of use, allowing for efficient maneuverability during tasks. Suitable for light vehicle tire changing, general vehicle maintenance, and MRO maintenance, repair, and operations applications, this impact wrench is a versatile addition to any toolkit. It comes with a spare fuse and two double-sided sockets, 17/19mm and 21/23mm, ensuring compatibility with a range of lug nut sizes. Complete with a carry case for easy storage and transport, the Wagon 12-volt roadside impact wrench is a reliable solution for roadside emergencies and everyday maintenance needs. Number 10. The Powerbuilt 12-volt electric jack and tire inflator combo offers ultimate convenience for vehicle owners. Utilizing a 12-volt car outlet and the car's battery, this combo efficiently lifts the vehicle and operates the inflator, making tire maintenance hassle-free. Included in the package is an electric jack with a built-in inflator, along with 4 inflation needles, an L-wrench, and a charging cable. With a lift range of 5.3 inches to 14 inches, it provides ample clearance for various vehicle types. Additionally, it boasts a weight capacity of 1 ton, ensuring it can handle most vehicles with ease. Compact in size, this combo is designed for easy storage in the vehicle, making it perfect for roadside emergencies or unexpected tire issues. Whether you're a frequent traveler or just want peace of mind on the road, the Powerbuilt electric jack and tire inflator combo is a reliable solution for all your lifting and inflating needs.